How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough. Welcome to my first ever, hopefully not my last, double sneaker unboxing. Before we begin, let me just go on a quick rant. Nike, please stop using these big swoosh shipping boxes. It's just another reason for people to steal them. We all know what's inside. So I'm sure you all know what's inside that black and blue big box. But inside this red one is a pair of Air Max 1s I've been wanting for a while. It's the Air Max 1 Premium, the bread colorway with that mini swoosh. I was able to pick them up off Champs with a discount, like 20 bucks off and free shipping. So went ahead and got them. This is definitely going to be an everyday type sneaker for me. And here we go. So this is the Nike Adapt BB, the first self-lacing basketball sneaker, retailing at $350, much less than the original Hyper Adapts. And I was able to pre-order these in January. Nike allowed people to pre-order them for a limited time, and because I pre-ordered, I ended up getting them a few days early. As you can see, Nike went all out with the packaging. Definitely didn't disappoint there. You've got these latches on the side which will allow you to get inside the box. I am really excited to open these and try them on. I mean, just considering the amount of time Nike spent developing these. Wow. Huh. Alright, so they're not very heavy sneakers at all. I was definitely expecting a much heavier sneaker. Yeah, so first impressions, the weight of it is definitely a shocker to me. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It resembles a Kobe in a lot of ways, and I like Kobe's. It's a lot more sleek than the older Hyper Adapt, so overall first impressions are very good. Moving further inside the box, you've got the charging pad, which according to Nike, it takes about 4 hours to charge the sneakers up to 100%, and that should last you anywhere from like 2 to 3 weeks, just depending on how often you're wearing them. Inside this chrome packaging, you've got your charging cable and charging block, and this is actually the exact same packaging that they use for the Air Fear God 1 and the shoot-arounds. Then you've got this little booklet which basically describes the charging process, the different lights, and how the buttons work. Guys, that is unreal to me. Maybe to some of you it's not a big deal, but to me these shoes are crazy cool. Also, there's a separate tongue which I assume will help with cushioning on top of your foot with the lacing system. On the outsole you'll find a small butterfly design. According to Senior Design Director Ross Klein, the butterfly was inspirational to the design team because of the metamorphosis it endures through its life cycle. Nike not only wanted you to see the Adapt BB, but to feel and hear it as well, which is why this unique detail was added. For midsole cushioning, Nike went with Lunarlon, which is not a new material from Nike. It's been put in tons of running sneakers, tons of basketball sneakers. So if you're familiar with the Lunarlon cushioning, these will probably be very comfortable to you. I seriously cannot stop doing this. It is so freaking cool. The upper is comprised of a newly designed material called Quad Fit. It's woven, and basically it's just a lightweight material that helps conform to your foot. Something I noticed right away was how there's dots all over the sneaker. You've got the 4 obvious ones that trail behind the swoosh. You've got 8 dots on the pull tab, but there's actually dots all over the sneaker. And Nike just basically said that these are eye-catching. They want it to represent something secretive, and the dots are a humanizing factor. So this is a design element that they definitely did on purpose. Alright guys, so I've got to run into the Apple store at Lenox Mall, and I figured, why not wear the Adapt BBs? I definitely want to see how they feel on foot, and then also get some feedback from people inside the mall. whenever you go to Lenox, you're definitely going to find some people with some nice kicks. Alright, so here's my first impressions. I think they're very comfortable to walk in. They definitely fit true to size for my foot, so I'd recommend going true to size or up half a size if you have a wider foot. While I haven't gotten the chance to play in them yet, I definitely think the grip of the outsole is good on these hardwood floors. And this could honestly be a lifestyle sneaker to me. I think they're that comfortable. I don't even think it has to be used or worn as a basketball shoe.
The Adapt BB, pretty cool shoe. When I stuck my foot in it the first time, it was kind of like, it was very, very cushion, kind of like a running shoe on the React field, which was pretty dope. As soon as I stuck my foot in it, actually retracted to my foot, which was pretty crazy too. Using the two side buttons to kind of tighten it, that was pretty cool too. I think it could change the colors, huh? It's pretty cool. But as far as the shoe, I would love to try to hoop in it to see exactly, if I still get that same feeling if I were to tighten my shoe or tied it up myself. But this is the future though.
Overall, I'm very impressed with the Nike Adapt BB sneaker. It exceeded my expectations, and I think $350 is a fair price point considering the amount of research and development that went into building this shoe. I definitely appreciate all of you who support my channel and watch my videos. Drop a comment below, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. There's more reviews coming and SneakerCon in a few weeks.